When a framework can run in the background, it is said to be thread safe. However, there are several frameworks that are not thread safe and can only run in the main queue. There are two notable cases in the Apple stack. These are two banana peels waiting for a newbie to step on them. These are UIKit and Core Data. Let's start with UIKit. You cannot run anything from UIKit in the background or your app will crash intermittently. That's the beauty of concurrency bugs. Sometimes they show up, sometimes they don't. The bottom line is never use anything whose name ends with view in the background, or else. Core Data is a bit more complicated, and we will deal with this in greater detail once we reach Core Data. The thing to remember here is that NSManage object context can only be used in the same queue it was created. Therefore, if you created the context in the main queue, you may only use it in the main queue. However, if you create a context in a background queue, then you may only use it in the background. My recommendation is to wait until you feel really confident with Core Data and GCD before you try to mix them together. Core Data in the background is second than Core Data, so tread carefully, Daniel-san. Until then, wax on, wax off. Remember to breathe. Very important. Hi.